Okay, here's my newest creation here with my no build mobile office. So what I did was I got some plywood and I had my husband cut it down to the size of the top of my shelving unit here that I'm using as a table in my van. And I had him put some holes in it so that I can put them, well, I have these stacked too, so I would have to stick it through both. But anyway, let's see here. Let's see. I'll stick this zip tie through here and bring it up around the bottom so that I can secure it to the shelf. And then I'll have a hard surface, because even though this shelving unit is supposed to hold a whole bunch of weight, I have sat on it and broke it. It's got cracks in it, when I sat on it. So I wanted to put some wood on it, because when we travel, we take these shelving units and put them together. We turn them, up and push them up against the back chair here. And we don't want these to break. We put the air mattress on top of it, and we don't want them to break. And I just want this to be a more secure surface. But I also wanted it to be able to go back to being a shelving unit, and for me to be able to stack them, because this would stack. This is another one just like this. It would stack, two up if I stack them. But with this on it, they won't stack because they fit into each groove. And so I don't want it to be permanent. I want it to be where, if I wanted to take this whole thing out and use it as a shelving unit elsewhere, that all I have to do is cut the zip ties and take it off. So that's my invention today. And then I'll probably go ahead and put some nice fabric on it instead of the stuff I've been putting on it just to keep it black and just to keep it covered. Maybe do some nice black covers. We'll see. But just wanted to share that today.